Okay guys, so we have my M4 in hibernation after that long drive, but as you can tell, we have still not washed this thing after driving it across the country, so we need to get this thing a good old detail. So it is a beautiful day here in the sunny state of Florida, so we are going to pull it out of the garage and start scrubbing this thing and getting all these bugs off and dirt and grime, and should be pretty satisfying. I mean, there is just dirt to be seen everywhere on this car, so let's get started. Alright guys, we just got the car fully dried. We're just giving the wheels a quick scrub, because these things were really dirty from all the brake dust and everything, so they're looking super clean again. Sweet. Well, this thing looks much better. My dad and I got it all washed after that almost 2,000 mile drive, and yeah, I forgot what this thing looked like all cleaned up, so really happy to have all that dirt and grime off of it. And super happy that I'm able to wash it in sunshine, because in Colorado it's snowing, and yeah, not the best weather to wash your car in right now where I'm supposed to be. But yeah, we're gonna get some pictures or something and just enjoy the clean car.
A few moments later.
So we've got the front wheels off. We got the front of the car on jack stands. Now we just got to get the rears off, and this thing will be sitting off the ground in hibernation for a while we get these wheels redone. Well, all right guys, it is the next day. A lot has changed. I got a haircut. I'm wearing a hoodie. It was so warm yesterday, but it is like cold. It's cold in Florida, so I don't know what that's about. But yeah, we got the car on jack stands. We got the tires dismounted off my wheels. Probably wondering where I'm going with this. We're gonna take apart the wheels in this video and get them ready to get them refinished. We're gonna change the color of them, and I think these wheels are gonna look so amazing. These Rotiform wheels are literally one of one. Like there's no other set of wheels made by Rotiform that are like these ones. So yeah, it should be super exciting to get these things refinished in a new color. So yeah, we're gonna get started on it. So here we have all the wheels taken off. Now check out the M4, guys. It is so clean. As you know, in the beginning of the video, we washed it while it was sitting on the jack stands in the garage. My dad and I waxed the paint, so the paint is in really good shape right now, super reflective. So yeah, love having the car nice and clean after all that driving. Okay, but you guys are probably wondering why I am getting these wheels refinished, because they do look sick as is. Reason why I'm doing it is because the chrome is peeling off of the barrel, like off the lip of the wheel. Obviously, we can't be rocking these wheels with the chrome peeling and everything. It's just, you can't have wheels that look like that, especially when we're trying to be at BMW Invasion in like 2 weeks. So we definitely want to make these wheels look really nice, and I figured if I'm going to get everything refinished, might as well change the color. So we're going to change the color of them. And yeah, this is my first time ever taking apart wheels, so I'm super curious to see how it goes, but I'm excited for the learning experience. All right guys, well, obviously we are not in the garage anymore. We are in the kitchen because it's a few hours later. We ended up having to run some errands, so we had to put a pause to the project, but Yeah, it's dumping rain in Florida, so, and it's also nighttime, so we're gonna take this thing apart inside the kitchen, and yeah, it should still be fun. Nice. Wow, that is so loud. Oh, ouch. I just got pinched. So these wheels are super dirty. I'm going to wear some gloves because, yeah, we'll stay a little clean during this process. Got the face separated from the barrel. This honestly feels like where most of the weight is coming from the wheel. This is a pretty heavy piece of it. So like I've said, guys, this is my first time disassembling wheels. Now there's the rubber seal to separate the barrel of the wheel, so we're gonna get a blade and cut that rubber seal. Should be a pretty obvious gap when you feel it with the blade. Now we're just gonna have to learn how to reseal it when we put the wheels back together. Yeah, I really like the face of these wheels, how they say the Rotiform Motorsport on it. But you guys will just have to see what color we go with for the face and the barrel of the wheel. It's gonna be pretty cool. So we weren't cutting it deep enough and we were struggling to get the wheel apart. Now we're really digging the blade into it and you can see it separating. You can see through it actually. Just gotta cut all that glue off. Oh yeah, there we go. Problem solved. I'll take that. And there you have it, guys. 3-piece wheels taken apart into 3 pieces. We're gonna move on to the next one. It's actually not that bad of a process. The time-consuming part is just taking each bolt off, because there's, how many on each wheel? 40. There's 40 bolts on each wheel, so 160 bolts in total that you have to take off with the drill. Alright guys, cut the seal on this wheel. We really got to dig in there because we didn't do that the first time and it was not separating. There we go, 2 pieces. Hey, what's up everybody? So it is a few days later. Last thing you saw was us taking apart the wheels. So we were able to take all those apart, wipe them down, make them look really clean, and we dropped them off at the powder coating shop. So right now the wheels are getting painted, and still not going to tell you guys the finish we're going in. You guys are just going to have to wait for us to get those back. But while we wait for the wheels to get refinished, I've got my cup of coffee and we are going to swap out my front brake pads. Let me show you how rough these are, guys. These brake pads are super worn out, so we definitely need to swap them, and what better time to do it while the wheels are off the car and it's all jacked up. So let's go take a look. There's a little bit of brake dust rust. It's because I washed the car and then parked it, so excuse that. But you can tell by this brake pad it is on its last few threads of life, and I don't know if I can get the camera on this back one, but the back one is not any better, and when we pull them out I'll show you guys that. Guys, my dad's a genius. Look at the tool he's using instead of just, most people grab like a crowbar and just pry them apart. This is a pretty efficient way to decompress the pistons. Sweet guys, so we've got the new pads right here. Look at that. My car won't be squeaking anymore, and it should have a better bite to it compared to the old ones, which were compared to these ones, which were definitely squeaking and letting me know that they wanted to be replaced. So yeah, then we got our new plates right here, and then our new brake wear sensor line. So yeah, we're gonna get all that swapped out. This car is gonna feel like a whole new car once we get the wheels back on it, because we got new brakes, a really fresh detail. I detailed the interior, guys, and there's not a single speck of dust or dirt in it, and it smells like a brand new car. So once everything's put back together, this thing's gonna feel like it just drives better. I can't wait. We use that box so that it doesn't drip all over the garage floor, so trying to keep it as clean as possible. Before we slide it in there. My dad and I were just saying that we're very thankful that BMW made the brake replacement super easy on these cars, because some cars don't have it this easy, which it's surprising that this being an M4, it's so quick and easy to swap out the pads. So thank you, BMW, for not over-engineering something for once. There we have it. We've got the brakes done on the left side. I'm not going to show you guys the install of the second side because it's just the same stuff. But yeah, super happy to get these old ones out, and it's always a good feeling to have fresh brake pads. So with all that being said, we're just going to end the video here, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the disassembly of the wheels, and hopefully you guys are excited to see what color and finish we go with. This is going to be the part 1 video. The part 2 is going to be receiving the wheels, putting them back together, and installing them on the car, and getting the full reveal of what they look like. So be excited, guys. These Rotiform wheels are about to be completely changed, and I cannot wait. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.